Hello everyone, and welcome to this English listening practice video. Today, you will listen to a short, relaxing audiobook-style story. The story is written in simple English, spoken slowly, and perfect for English learners. You can listen while studying, resting, or before sleeping. This will help you improve your listening skills, vocabulary, and understanding of natural English. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. The Journey of the Four Friends. Silverbrook was a quiet, peaceful village surrounded by green hills and tall trees. The air was always fresh. Birds sang early in the morning, and the sound of the river made the village feel calm and safe. In this village lived four friends: Liam, Emma, Noah, and Ava. They had been friends since childhood. They went to school together, played together, and shared almost everything. Liam was gentle and thoughtful. Emma was smart and curious. Noah was brave and strong. Ava was cheerful and kind. One warm summer evening, the four friends sat near the big oak tree at the center of the village. The sunset painted the sky with beautiful orange and pink colors. Emma said, "I want to see the world outside our village. I want to learn new things." Liam nodded slowly. "Me too. We always read stories about adventures. Why don't we have one?" Noah looked excited. "Yes. Let's go on a real journey." Ava smiled. "And maybe we will help someone on the way." They all agreed. Tomorrow morning, they would begin their long journey. That night, none of them could sleep. Their hearts were full of excitement and a little fear. They packed food, water, clothes, and a small map. Before sunrise, they met near the oak tree again. Liam whispered, "This is the beginning." And together, the four friends walked out of Silverbrook for the first time. After walking for many hours, the friends entered a huge forest. It was called the Forest of Echoes because every sound repeated again and again through the trees. Birds chirped. Leaves rustled. Even their footsteps created soft echoes. At first, the forest felt magical. But as they walked deeper, it became darker and colder. Ava held Liam's hand. "It feels different now." Noah looked around carefully. "Stay close. We don't know what lives here." Suddenly, they heard a cry. It was soft, but sad. Ava said, "Someone needs help." The friends followed the sound until they reached a small clearing. There, under a broken tree branch, was a baby deer. Its leg was stuck, and it looked scared. Emma whispered, "Oh no, we have to help it." Noah carefully lifted the branch. Liam checked the deer's leg. "It's not broken. It's just weak." Ava gently petted the deer. "It's okay, you're safe now." After resting for a while, the baby deer stood up again. It looked at them with bright eyes, and then ran into the forest. Emma smiled. "We did something good today." But the sun was disappearing behind the trees. The forest became darker and colder. "We should find a place to sleep," Liam said. They found a large rock that protected them from the wind. Emma lit a small fire. They sat close together and talked quietly. A strange echo repeated their voices again and again. But slowly, they fell asleep, listening to the peaceful sounds of the forest. After 2 more days of travel, the friends reached a busy city called Stonebridge. There were shops everywhere. People were walking fast. Strangers spoke different accents. And tall stone bridges crossed above the wide river. The friends looked around in wonder. Emma said, "There is so much to learn here." They decided to explore the marketplace first. They saw colorful fabrics, shiny jewelry, delicious food, and street performers. While watching a magician perform tricks, Noah felt someone push him. He quickly checked his pocket. "My pouch. Someone stole my money pouch." The friends ran through the crowd. They saw a small boy running fast. Liam shouted, "Stop!" But the boy kept running. Noah chased him through the narrow streets until the boy finally stopped in a corner, breathing heavily. The boy said, "I'm sorry. I needed money for my little sister. She is sick." Noah, still catching his breath, looked at the boy's torn clothes and tired face. Liam arrived and asked gently, "Where is your sister?" The boy pointed to a small broken house. The friends went inside. There, they saw a little girl on a thin bed. She looked pale and weak. Emma checked her forehead. "She has a fever." Ava said, "We can help her." The friends bought medicine and warm food from the market. They stayed with the children until the girl felt better. The boy cried softly. "Thank you. I promise I will never steal again." Noah gave him the pouch. "Take it. Use it for your sister. Just be honest from now on." The boy nodded, grateful. That night, the friends slept in the city square under the stars. They felt tired, but proud. Their next destination was the legendary Mountain of Storms. People said it was dangerous. Strong winds, loud thunder, and sudden rainstorms. But on top of the mountain was something special. The Silver Lake, a beautiful lake said to show the truth inside a person's heart. The friends wanted to see it. The climb was difficult. Wind pushed them. Rain made the rocks slippery. Ava struggled. I can't climb anymore." Noah held her hand. "Yes, you can. We're here with you." Liam protected Emma from the wind. Emma guided the group with the map. After many hours, they reached the top. And there it was. The Silver Lake. The water was bright and shiny, like a mirror. When they looked into the lake, they didn't see their faces. They saw their true hearts. Liam saw his kindness. Emma saw her wisdom. Noah saw his courage. Ava saw her compassion. They smiled softly. Emma said, "This journey changed us." A gentle wind blew across the lake. The sky cleared. Sunlight touched the mountain. The friends sat together, watching the beautiful view. After a long time, they decided it was time to go home. Back to Silverbrook. After many weeks, the four friends returned to their village. Everyone listened to their stories with amazement. They had left as ordinary children, but returned as wiser, kinder, and braver people. Liam said, "The world is big." Emma said, "And full of lessons." Noah said, "And challenges." Ava said, "And people who need help." Their journey was over. But their hearts were forever changed. Thank you for listening to this long English story. I hope it helped you practice English listening in a simple, slow, and relaxing way. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. See you in the next video. Goodbye, and take care.